offer a great advantage for gliding, but certainly not for walking. And a Microraptor on the ground is a Microraptor in danger.
And of course the carnivores, the meat eaters, get bigger because the herbivores get bigger.
Of the life and death struggle for survival for millennia, the dinosaurs had evolved into a variety of shapes and sizes. Ankylosaurus had a large head.
But many of the stegosaurs survived with tiny plates or no plates at all, which leads some paleontologists to believe that the stegosaur's mighty armory, perhaps even starting with Tuojiangosaurus, may have become more propaganda than pointy defenses. Pachycephalosaurs, or thick-headed lizards. If any animal on Earth looks more suited to slamming its cranium into another's, it has got to be some of these guys. Some of their domes are 8 inches thick or more, inspiring awe and controversy in equal measure.
Of all the major
wily predator,
it probably would be able to go after those eggs and eat them so long as mommy or daddy Pachycephalosaurus weren't around to fight back.
Carcharodontosaurus, and it had a mouthful of fearsome shark-like teeth. And because it was the biggest land predator, even a...
It's obvious she's suffering labor pains. Shinglebacks, the modern-day lizard that give live birth, are also known to have labor pains. Delivering such big babies may inevitably have involved a huge strain. The Mosasaurus newborns are more than 2 meters long.
We are north of the South American plate, in a sea that will grow to be the Atlantic Ocean. Dinosaurs only existed on land, the large ocean creatures. These creatures are not dolphins. They are ichthyosaurs from 160 million years ago. Some species of ichthyosaurs.
It's a little terrifying. I hope to see one of these Titanoboa just because we don't have anything like that in the world today.
He bore the scars of a violent life and the colors and plumes of a social creature. Capable of summoning his kind with a stomach-churning rumble.